So we had this idea of what if you wanted to give limited access to specific people that needed just specific limited information for them. Maybe your suppliers over in China need to be able to interact with you and have some visibility on the POs that you've released to them, and they could do some confirming. What about customers? Maybe a specific customer is special to you. Maybe 40% of your business is with one customer, and they want more information, and you trust them, and you give them a little bit of access to log into your server and display just what you want them to see. Maybe a sales rep. Maybe a sales rep's in the field. They want to know what's been booking in their territory, what orders are going to ship today, things like that. Being able to just drill down based on what you're allowed to see. So let's go back to the desktop app again. So we created this idea of gateways. So let's take a look at a PO gateway. A gateway would be different than a portal. A portal would have many things to do. This is just very limited. So you'll notice right now I'm logged in as BHawk. When I'm logged in as BHawk, I'm the guy at Trendy Products, in the Far East, and I'm supposed to be the guy, communicating back and forth to my customer as to, am I going to make certain dates? Am I going to be able to fulfill orders on time? Things like that. So if we were to go to this particular order here, this is a PO 102, and you can see that here's the order date, and I'm going to confirm that I'm going to make that delivery by the end of the month. So I'm going to change a drop-down selection here. Of course, you can make them say whatever you want. And here I'm going to put a note in here, looks good. So as soon as I do that, and I could manipulate multiples at the same time, maybe this one needs to go that day. I'm going to change it to yes and OK. And as I click around, you can see they change color, and when I'm done, I just push the update button. As I change data, notice there's a checkbox over here. You could turn this on or on if you don't want it to do that. But when I click update, what's this going to do behind the scene? It's just doing a SQL script. It's not really a transaction in Macola, but it's just really taking this user-defined field and being able to do a SQL update to that data remotely. Well, just think about what that might mean to your business, where a specific supplier doesn't have to send you that email spreadsheet. Maybe they could type in here which container number that particular line item and quantity are going to go against. Whatever you can dream up, this would be available for you to create that type of integration back to your system. And again, it's just focused on this username logged in and this vendor number that creates Trendy Products. So that's pretty simple. Let's take a look at another one. Here's an order entry gateway. And this time, BHawk is linked to this customer. So now I am a guy that works at this customer, and I want to come in and be able to see the status of my orders. So I could come in here and drill down and look around, check earliest line date for receipt and things like that to be able to see, I want to see all the orders that are just book status. So here maybe book status means something that we could train the customer to know what that means, or we could change the words there. But this is just a real simple way for a customer or maybe a sales rep to come in and see deals in his territory, customers in his territory linked to him. Very simple.